In this video, I'm going to show you exactly step-by-step how you can get a link from a domain of DA55, a citation flow of 55, and a trust flow of 33. This will be a quick step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. Here's a sample of the link. Before I show you a sample, let me show you that it does index. Here's the link indexed. I'm going to show you as well how and what services you can use to index these links if you want to force index it. But this is how the link looks. It's basically a profile link. You can link your social media. If we go here to inspect element, we can see that in fact it is a Dofollow link. Now, how do we do it? First of all, you need to go to hashnode.com and then you create a profile. Pretty straight up, you just sign up with your email and that's it. So let's do that right now. Let's do this, for example, right here. Hit submit. Then we're going to go and check our fake email inbox really quickly. Wait for the email to pop up. And then this is pretty straightforward. You just have to click the link here to verify your account. Then go to click here to sign in. We can close out of this. And then, of course, you'll enter here your first name. You can pick a username, test username. This account will be, of course, banned in just a few days because this simply looks fake. So make sure that when you're creating this, it is in fact properly done and it looks like an account someone would do. Either one here works fine. Doesn't really matter, to be honest. Just make sure this looks as real as possible. You can even include your keyword here and hit next. And then hit next again, and we can go to our dashboard as well. And this is basically where you'll set up your account. If you go here, and then if you go to your profile, this is where we were before. And if you're wondering, this is a tutorial, a step-by-step tutorial. I posted it in my Facebook group. This is a written tutorial, but right now you're watching the video tutorial. And yeah, you basically go here, you add your about me by clicking add bio. You can add everything here. You can add your socials, just like we saw here. And down here, if I'm not mistaken, I think, please bear with me here. I haven't done this in a while, but I think it is here that you include your link. Let's just double check. No, actually, sorry about that. So the custom domain we did was the actual domain where we needed to, in fact, add our domain. So if we go here to domain and then do custom domain, then we just put here your domain, then hit update. Then again, if we go to our profile, so this hasn't updated just yet. Okay, so if we go here, it links to our site. If we do inspect element, it is in fact a Dofollow link, and this of course will index just like this one as well, indexed here. Again, make sure you make this look real, otherwise it will be removed in a short period of time. Now, how can you actually get it indexed? I recommend you blast it with social signals and a GSA blast. If I can find it here, there should be a GSA blast here, right here. So these are super cheap. You can grab a few. It even includes blog comments. What I usually do to force index this type of links is to use GSA and social signals. If you're wondering what this site is, this is called Vetted. And Vetted is basically a marketplace where you can outsource your marketing efforts, whether that is SEO, content writing, content marketing, anything related to marketing to vetted marketers. So right now the tutorial is finished, and if you want to keep listening to me, I'm basically going to sell you a bit of Vetted because it is a marketplace I created. I'm really proud of it. So yeah, basically Vetted allows you to outsource your marketing to marketing professionals. You can do one-on-one calls with people. For example, if you go here to Sylvia's profile, Sylvia is a social media manager. You can see this is a service she offers here on Vetted. If you go here to her profile, you can set up a consulting call with her. And yeah, every single person that registers on Vetted is, as the name says, vetted. Every service is curated. So you're working with real marketers here, and that's the real value of Vetted. Plus, we take 0% in fees from freelancers. So if you're a freelancer and want to join a freelancing platform, vetted is the way to go. Not only because clients are going to pay you more because it is a vetted marketplace, but because we take 0% in fees. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how you create a backlink on a site with these amazing metrics. And then I told you how you could index it is through using GSA and social signals. And as you can see here, it does index. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Cheers.